think Greg's grown another inch, so it's a good thing. It's a good thing he wasn't measured this time. Baka lumaki ito, Buti na lang. So far, not on here. Again, we appreciate what Michael did for us. Unfortunately, of course, we weren't able to win games, but he produced the numbers. He produced the numbers. I think he was scoring about 35 points a game. But really the problem was locals getting involved. Also, Greg is able to play the 4 comfortably, and I think that's the spot we really need to fill up. But the problem was that Michael was really comfortable playing the 3 more than the 4. So again, it's a technical adjustment. I think that's good for us. It's a good thing, as Greg said, before the height limit was 6'5", we couldn't make 6'5", but at 6'6", is able to make it comfortably. And I think Greg's grown another inch, so it's a good thing. It's a good thing he wasn't measured this time. Baka lumaki ito, Buti na lang. So I think it's an advantage for us. Being able to play the 4, give us a presence in the middle. At the same time, he steps out and shoots the 3s. He's able to blow by on isolations. He's able to find his teammates. So that's good for us. The only thing is he's not able to make his free throws. So, although in the end he was able to improve on his free throws. Fourth quarter, those were big ones, and I guess when you shoot that well, it's not always going to go for you shooting the 3s and at the same time shooting free throws. Maybe next time.